Yeah, welcome back to Havit Nigeria channel. Havit Nigeria channel. I remain Ifeanyi, the anchor of the program, unboxing the products. Today we are going to unbox one of our new headsets. We are going to unbox one of our new headsets, H659 gaming headset. It's a gaming headphone, though it's not just for only gaming. You can use it for other things like just playing music, doing your recording on your system and even using it on your phone. But the good thing is that this headphone is mainly used for gaming. It's a Gamenote. It's one of our Gamenote models by Havit. This logo is for Gamenote. Whenever you see this logo, you know that the product is a Gamenote. This headphone comes with RGB light. You can see it. It comes with RGB light. Let's do the unboxing. Yeah, this is the headphone. This is the headphone. So this is the RGB area and the speaker area. You can see the material for this headphone is plastic. This headphone is made of plastic. This is the microphone. This is the microphone. You can see it. You can see the lights. When you're playing game, this light will be responding to the game itself. That's why it's a gaming headphone. You see the microphone comes with light too. Very comfortable and very active. And because of the size of the foam here, this cover, it can serve as a noise cancelling headphone because it can block out noise. You can see it's very beautiful. RGB headphone 659. In fact, I think that this is one of the best headphones that Havit produced. But this is one of the best headphones you see in the market. Very beautiful, very comfortable. The size is good for different kinds of, even if your head is big as mine, the size is very good for you, and it's very comfortable. You can see it, the foam inside. Very comfortable. You can see it. Then let's go to the features of the headphone. can see the plugs. This is for recording, the red one is for recording. We plug this one to record. This one is for listening, for playback. Then the USB, you've seen the USB. This is the USB. You plug it to the system, or you plug it to the system for it to respond to the gaming option. Let me plug it to the power bank again. You can see it's very beautiful and very comfortable. Like I said, this is one of the best headphones you see in the market. But oh, I love this. I love this light. I love this light. You can go to the comment section to see how you can get yours. You can go to the comment section to see it. The material is made of plastic. It's plastic, very comfortable. This can expand to fit into your head. It can expand to fit into your head, even if your head is as big as mine. The microphone is adjustable. The microphone is adjustable. Havit H659 headphone. Tailored for the game from Havit. I see the cord, very long. The cord is very long. See, it has volume control. You can control the volume from here. You can use this to lock the microphone option. See, it's volume control. Thank you very much. Havit H59 headphone, gaming headphone. Is a gaming headphone. Very recommendable. Anytime, any day. Thank you very much. God bless you. But before I forget, please subscribe to this channel, like and comment on our post. You can share it to your friends to support our what we are doing for you. If you think there's any way you want us to improve, just go to the comment section and tell us what you want us to improve on our products. Tell us what you want us to improve on the presentation. The essence of doing this is for us to tell you about the products and probably how you can use it, how the product functions and how you can use it. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you.